holiday centerpiece vegan lentil loaf. This dish is not just a meal, it's a statement. The holidays are a time for gathering, sharing delicious food, and making memories. It's a season of joy, laughter, and togetherness. But what about those of us who don't eat meat? Finding the perfect dish can be a challenge. Have no fear. This vegan lentil loaf is here to steal the show. It's a game changer for any holiday feast. It's hearty, flavorful, and even the biggest meat lovers will be going back for seconds. It's that good. This isn't your average lentil loaf. It's crafted with love and the finest ingredients. This one is packed with flavor, moist, and holds its shape beautifully. Every bite is a delight. Trust me, it's the perfect centerpiece for your holiday table. It will be the star of your festive spread. Whether you're vegan, vegetarian, or just looking for a delicious and satisfying plant-based meal, this lentil loaf is sure to impress. It's a dish that brings everyone together, gathering your ingredients. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, they're all easy to find at your local grocery store. Dried lentils. These are the stars of the show. Vegetables, onion, carrots, and celery for flavor and texture. Flavor enhancers. Garlic, herbs, and spices bring the loaf to life. Binding agents. Flaxseed meal and oats help hold everything together. Vegetable broth for moisture and richness. Glaze ingredients. Ketchup, maple syrup, and soy sauce create a tangy and sweet topping. Crafting your perfect lentil loaf. A step-by-step guide to a delicious and nutritious meal. First, we'll cook our lentils until they're tender but still hold their shape. This step is crucial for achieving the right texture. This is key for a loaf that's not mushy. Make sure to check the tenderness with a spoon. While the lentils cook, sauté finely chopped onions, carrots, and celery until softened and fragrant. The aroma will fill your kitchen with a delightful scent. Next, we'll blend a portion of the cooked lentils to create a creamy texture. This will help bind the loaf together. Then, combine the blended lentils, remaining whole lentils, sautéed vegetables, garlic, herbs, spices, flaxseed meal, oats, and vegetable broth in a large bowl. Mix thoroughly to ensure all ingredients are well incorporated. Now comes the fun part. Get your hands in there and mix everything together with joy. Shape the mixture into a loaf and bake it in the oven until golden brown and firm. Enjoy the process and the delicious result. The finishing touch, a delicious glaze. No lentil loaf is complete without a delicious glaze. This simple mixture of ketchup, maple syrup, and soy sauce adds a tangy sweetness that complements the savory loaf perfectly. Simply whisk the ingredients together and brush the glaze over the loaf during the last few minutes of baking. This will create a beautiful glossy finish, serving up holiday cheer. The holiday season is all about bringing joy and warmth to our homes. And what better way to do that than with a delicious homemade dish? Once the loaf is baked to perfection, let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. This step is crucial to ensure the loaf maintains its shape and texture. This allows the flavors to meld and the loaf to firm up, making for cleaner slices. You'll find that the taste is even more delightful when the loaf has had a chance to settle. Serve your vegan lentil loaf warm with all your favorite holiday sides. It's a versatile dish that pairs wonderfully with a variety of accompaniments. It's delicious with mashed potatoes, adding a creamy and comforting element to your meal. Gravy, which adds a rich and savory flavor, and roasted vegetables, which bring a delightful crunch and color to your plate. Cranberry sauce, the possibilities are endless. Each side dish complements the lentil loaf in its own unique way. This recipe is a keeper. It's not only nutritious but also incredibly satisfying. It's easy to make, incredibly delicious, and a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Your family and friends will be asking for seconds. Let me know in the comments if you give it a try. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your holiday creations. I bet you can even win over some meat lovers with this one. Happy holidays and happy cooking!